Hi student, good morning. Today in this session we are learning citizen deforestation and causes. What is deforestation? Deforestation, cutting down the trees. We are leading to the deforestation. See, what is the causes is there? What is the causes? Causes. What factors is affecting to the cutting down the trees? We have to see the first one is a overpopulation. Overpopulation. See, if a population is increasing, see, requirement also increasing. See, we have to see the here few population is there, and we have to see the many population. Number of population is increasing. Number of population is increasing. So it is a few population is required the less requirement, and many population is required the more requirement. So it is we are calling the overpopulation. If a population is increasing, automatically the requirement also increasing. Next we have to see the agriculture. Second one is agriculture. See, what will happen? Nowadays is a population is increasing, cutting down the more forest and using the forest land using to the agriculture land. See, it is using for a more land is agriculture. See, we have to see the olden days there is a vacant places or forest is there, but nowadays the farmers is cutting down the trees and it is using for this land is a cultivation of the crops. Cultivation of the crops. It is agriculture farming is increasing day to day. Next, human settlement. Next factor is a human settlement. Human settlement. What is the human settlement? Here is a residential areas is increasing. We have to see the in a rural areas and urban areas. It is a residential areas is increasing more and more, more and more. See, even we have to see the in urban areas and rural areas. We have to see the urban areas is day to day there is a increasing the population. Next, making the furniture. Making the furniture. See here, making the furniture. We have to see the number of wood we are using for furniture. So it is doors, windows, chairs, tables, benches. See, it is a furniture. It is a day to day. It is a requirement more is there. That's why here is a cutting down the forest and leading to the deforestations and making fuel. Fuel for also using. See, here is a fuel. Fuel means it is a cooking process. We are using this wood for cooking. So it is we have to see the in our rural areas. It is using the wood for preparation of food substances. Preparation of food substances. Next, forest fire. Forest fire. Here forest fire means we have to see the extreme warm heat. It is a winter also, it is a not cold. We are calling the, it is a causing the forest fire. It is a extreme heat. It is a, next we have to see the hot process in winter also. Winter also not very cold. Very cold. Winter also it is a not a cold. See, it is a leading to the, it is a forest fire. Next, industries. See, we are using the this wood is a for industries. Industries. So it is a wood pulp. Wood pulp is a using for the preparation of paper. Preparation of paper. So it is a using the this wood pulp is a preparation of paper. Next we have to see the these all factors. So it is a leading to the deforestations. One is a overpopulation. If a population is increasing, requirement also increasing. Next, agriculture. Agriculture for it is a farmers also cutting down the trees, using that land to agriculture land. Human settlement. So it is a day-to-day urbanization is a increasing. Along with the rural also, ruralization also increasing. Making the furniture. Next, fuel. So it is a forest fire and industries. It is a using for wood pulp preparation of paper. Okay. Deforestation harmful effects. If leading to the deforestation, so many harmful effects is it is a loss of species. See, not able to survive. See, what will happen if I cut down the lot of trees? So it is a so many organisms cannot survive. Cannot survive. Say for example, Panchmari Natural Park. So it is a unique to a place gained squirrel and lost their habitat. So it is a if what's it? If there is no forest, what will happen? So many organisms can't survive there. So it is a, there is a shelter is a loss. If a shelter is there, see if a dense forest is there, so many organisms is there, fruits is there, leaves is there, greenery is present. See, we have to see the loss of species. First one is a loss of species. First one is a loss of species. Second one is a soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion. Soil erosion means washed out upper layer of the soil or fertile soil. We are calling the soil erosions. See, if a deforestation is occurring, what will happen? See, there is, for example, we have to see that these roots is penetrating with the soil particles. It is a holding to the soil particles. There is no plants. What will happen? There is no holding capacity of the these soil particles. The soil particles is washed out along with the water. See, along with the air. See, this like the soil particles upper humus is washed out. The so it is a fertile land converted into hard rock. See, we have to see the fertile land converted into, so it is a fertile land converted into hard rock. Hard rocks. Okay, so it is a soil erosion. Next we have to see the, it will be converted into desert area. So it is a totally leading to the desert. Next we have to see the increase concentration of carbon dioxide. Increase carbon dioxide concentration. See, already yesterday explained about the concentration. See, if increase it is a concentration of carbon dioxide is increasing. There is no forest. What will happen? The plants is absorbing the carbon dioxide and purifying and releasing the oxygen in our atmosphere. The oxygen is using to living organisms. See, animals. For example, it is a carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gases. See, carbon dioxide is greenhouse gas. See, this is a greenhouse gases. See, what will happen? See, is a resulting to global warming. It is a global warming. See, this global warming, if global warming is increasing, see, lead to the, it is a, what is, lead to the pollution. So it is a pollution is a occurring, see, lead to pollution. Okay, pollution is occurring. Again, it is a, we have to see the temperature. Too much carbon dioxide is increasing. Too much carbon dioxide is increasing. Too much carbon dioxide is increased. And here is a lead to the, it is a population. Lead to the, it is a pollution. Pollutions. See here, what will happen? Greenhouse gases. And it is a lowered groundwater level and reduced water level. See, lower groundwater level. See, water level also lower. See, if a plant is there, the land is keeping the moisture, the holding capacity is there. But see what will happen? There is no, it is totally deforestation. So it is a lower the groundwater level. Next we have to destroy the forest ecosystem. Totally destroying the forest ecosystem. So it is a destroy the forest ecosystem. So it is a forest ecosystem is a totally destroying. See, possibility of flood increasing. Flood is increasing. Flood is increases and the water holding capacity decreasing. Water holding capacity decreases. Okay, next we have to see the possibility of drought increases. Droughts also increases. Droughts also increases. See, we have to see the this like it is a number of, see, loss of species, soil erosion, fertile land converted into hard rock. See, increased carbon dioxide concentration. So it is a greenhouse gases. It is leading to the global warming. So it is a lead to the pollution. Too much carbon dioxide is increasing. Lower groundwater level. Water levels is a decreasing. Next, to destroy the forest ecosystem. Totally forest ecosystem is a there is no relation plants and animals. Next, flood increases water, it is a holding capacity is a decreasing. Next, drought increases. See, this like process is there. If a number of plants is there, carbon dioxide, we have to see the okay, number of plants is there. If a number of plants is reducing, number of plants is a reducing, what will happen here? What will happen? Carbon dioxide level is a increasing. Carbon dioxide level is a increasing. Okay. Next, see what will happen? Greenhouse effect. It is a greenhouse effect is a increasing. Greenhouse effect is increasing. Greenhouse effect is a increasing. Okay. Next, what said? Also temperature also increasing. Temperature also increasing. Temperature also increasing. If a temperature is increasing, what will happen? Rainfall is a decreasing. Rainfall is a decreasing. Fall is decreasing. Okay. Next, we have to see the number of plants is a decreasing. Moisture, it is a moisture to atmosphere is a decreasing. Number of plants is decreasing. What will happen? See, you can write here. Number of plants is a decreasing. So it is a moistureness is a decreasing in our atmosphere. See, moisture is a decreasing in our atmosphere. See here, decreasing. Next, we have to see the if a moistureness is a decreasing. So it is a moistureness is a decreasing in atmosphere. See, water vapor also decreasing. Water vapor. Water vapor is a decreasing. Next, if a water vapor is decreasing, what will happen? Formation of clouds also decreasing. Formation of cloud. Formation of clouds is a decreasing. It will be lead to the less rainfall. Less rainfall. Okay. So it is a less rainfall. Formation of clouds also decreasing. Next, it is a moisture in atmosphere. Atmosphere. So it is a decreasing. See, this is about the number of plants is decreasing, carbon dioxide is increasing, greenhouse gases, greenhouse effect is increasing. See, temperature is increasing. We are getting the less rainfall. Next, another way, moisture in atmosphere is decreasing, water vapor also decreasing. See, formation of clouds also decreasing. We are getting the finally less rainfall. See, this like water cycle. See, that's why we have to conserve the plants and animals along with.